Yadi. I didn't know Yahaki. Thank you very much for coming. This is the Navajo/English part of the lesson. So for those that are wanting to pick up the language with English and getting prepared for the class, this is the one that you want to watch. Koko nan hidishnigi dana venan vena ven hiji na anana yagi the nebazad yada halyana. The net language keepers are this year's theme. So it's just a quick review. To the east, we have things that have to do with Thikle, and Thikle is white. Ado, you go down here to these little guys, Chiji. It's that Chiji is supposed to have a CH glottal high tone Z, and that's the way things should be. Anyway, and then Chiji has a older brother, younger brother, Benado Vitsile. Ado Bade, older sister, and younger sister Vitsile, but Badedo Videja. Badedo Videja Tohalo. So he's got two sisters, two brothers, okay? He's kind of in the middle. Bamayaja has a Bamayaja, his mother's sister or aunt, his aunt. And then Bida or Biyaj, if you're female, but he's not a female, so it's Bida. So mother's brother, okay? And then there's Yagodot, which is the color of the south, blue. As you grow older, you also become young man, young woman. And so we depict that young man, young woman by saying Vijay. Vijay is father, but Bama is so Chiji Vijay. Chiji's father, Chiji Bama, would be his mother. And then the Vijay on the father's side, you have father's brother, father's sister, and also father's sister, Bija or Bama. One eye on that one. Okay. To the east, the color of stated color is yellow Sitso, which is different from the Sitso up here by where we have the orange. Huh? So ho, X is also a H sound. So ho. We don't want to put an H there because automatically our minds go to SH. We're going to say sh, but we don't want to say sh right here. We want to say she, ho. Okay, that's the reason why the X is there. All right, now could it go back down to yellow? So there's no ho sound, it's just a so. So that's the difference. One is hard sound, one is a light sound. As you go up this way, Chiji Bamasana, Chiji Benali Astan. So Bamasana is his maternal grandmother, and Benalis Astan would be the paternal. And then you go up there to Bache, but the words didn't come out, so we just use Benali. Benala Hastin. You could say Bache, maybe we'll. In the class, we can put that up there. But anyway, we're going to review Heish, Hu, and all the way to the Da, and the O, and the Daga, and Daga, and the Ya. See, Da and Ya. Da is, you're saying is there. Ya means right. Right. Is this right? His shirt is red, right? That kind of idea. So let's get started. Heish be'e, and I'm going to pick on little brother here, a bit silly, okay? Heish be'e, setso, setso, setso. Remember, setso is yellow. And you say chiji, chiji, bit silly, be'e, setso. Okay, that's how you would answer. All right. And we can do two by saying Heish be'e Sechi do Yagodot is okay, Yagodot is or Katligodotlish, right here. Katligodotlish means green, right? Katligodotlish. So, Chesh be'e Chi, and I'm going to pick on Benala Hastin. Chesh be'e Chi do Katligodotlish. And you would say, Chiji Benala Hastin do Bamasan be'e Chi do Katligodotlish. Okay. And then we can say that question maker is something. So we say that iji b'mayaje. Let's take b'mayaje. That iji b'mayaje be'e kat egodot ish. And you would come back. Oh yes. Oh iji b'mayaje be'e kat egodot ish. Okay. And let's make a mistake. Let's say that iji bate. See how be is no longer there. We just say ba. Instead of saying bi, we say ba. Dutch iji bate be e slijin. Slijin is black, right? Slijin. No, it's not. So we gotta say ndaga. Ndaga iji bate do be e slijin da. Then we gotta correct it and say iji bate be e, and let's say yellow. So let's say shitso. Okay, that's how you would correct it. Now let's go down to using the ya. Okay. Iji beje be e hat no sadateco. Let's use purple. Sadateco dot is ya, and in English we were trying to say Iji's father's clothes is purple, right? That ya is right. So here we go. Iji beje. See, there's beje. Iji beje be e is closed. Sadateco dot is ya. And your answer will be O. Iji beje be e sadateco dot is. And you don't say ya because it's a question. Be e dot is sadateco dot is. And let's make a mistake here. Iji be ma be e se chi ya. You can't say oh because it's not true. So you gotta say daga iji bama do be e da. You come up with a negative one. And then you correct it by saying iji bama be e yagodot is. All right, that's how you do it. We'll practice that in class from team to team. All right, I'll go on it. Bye.